Now that our partners have started receiving Ideoli'S Premier Magazine, we're excited to share what some of them are saying. Congratulations on the outcome, which underscores the tremendous work you have done. As a guy who once published magazines, I'm very proud of how these turned out. Nice work. I think this is exceptional. What a great marketing tool and statement of your dedication to your craft and customers. This is a game changer. It looks great. I'm going to share it with the team. Shut the front door. It's beyond fabulous. Congratulations. There you have it. We love hearing your feedback and insights. If you want to receive a copy of our magazine, contact us at invigorate@ideoli.com.